Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'll be showcasing my project for CS50p, the final project. The project title is called Brawler. My GitHub and username for EDX is gonna be in the description. I'm from Canada, from the province of Quebec, and the date of the recording is currently June 25th, 2024. I was on OBS, forgot. So yeah, I had to use Sublime Text 4 as the writer because VS Studio, Visual Studio, didn't work for me when I was trying to implement the Pygame. It didn't download with the pip install. It kept having some issues for some reason. So yes, I used Sublime Text 4, and yes, I'll be booting my game. That is a two-player game from the test project, just to showcase that it works. And as you can see here, it did pass the 3 tests that I tried earlier, and here, so there we go. And you can move while there is countdown. You cannot move, and nor can you attack. Once it's done, of course, you can move. Player 1 here, the keys to control him is A and D and W to jump. Attack 1 is R and attack 2 is T. And for the player 2, it's with the arrows key. So left, right, whatever, up. Keypad 1 and keypad 2 for attacks. They have both 100 health, sorry. And each time you hit, it takes out 10 HP for both attacks. It doesn't matter which one. Here. So there we go. 1 point for player 1, as P1 for player 1, P2 for player 2. And yeah, so the score next to it, I'll just be showing for player 2, just to show that it works. Yeah, hop, victory, and 1 for player 2. And yep, so that's it. And they're both facing each other at all time. So when one of them is going behind, they're both facing back each other now. So whoop, 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 whoop. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's about it. So there we go. And yeah, still work fast. As you can see, it's not the same time as it was earlier. So yeah, that's about it. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.